Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back.
Welcome back to another video.
So in today's video, I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys sent me on Instagram. Yeah, we're going to go through today and I'm just going to show you through my Easter Saturday in quarantine vlog Q&A. I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys sent me. If you guys didn't get an opportunity to send me questions, why aren't you following me on Instagram? Because that's where all the good happens. That's where everything happens. So someone asked me how old I am. I'm 23 years old, guys. I was born on October 15, 1996. I say that in pretty much every Q&A, so that's my age. Yeah. So someone asked me if I'm studying. No, babes ain't studying no more. We've been and did that. So let me clarify, I'm not studying at the present time, but I will be studying at some point again in time. I haven't finished studying, but I'm done for the moment. Joshua, I'll be back. So someone said I asked last time, but I never got a response. I'm sorry, hun. There's only so many questions that I can answer during one Q&A. So I tend to want to ask the ones that are exciting, that are intriguing, that people want to hear. So just make sure next time you ask some really good questions and some interesting ones or some juicy questions that people want to hear. I'm back home. The shopping center was just, it was too much, man. So many people there. It was very chaotic. I went into Coles looking for flour. I couldn't find the flour. So I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna go to any more shopping centers because of the way it currently is. It's too much. Somebody asked me how The Rock is. The Rock is fine. She's well situated on my hand. She's doing real good. I'm doing real good. Yeah, she's pretty to look at. So someone asked how long Farah and I have been dating. We have been dating for 5 years as of April 6th. So last week was our anniversary, so we've been dating for 5 years and like a week now. I'm really proud of it. So I've just finished painting. It took me pretty much like the rest of my day. My sister's just watching me. It took me pretty much the rest of my day. One of the other questions that I got was, who is your favorite brother-in-law? I don't have any favorites. I love you both as equally as each other. There is no one I love greater than the other. So someone asked me, where do I see myself in 3 years? In 3 years I see myself obviously married. By that point in time, I think my YouTube career would have grown a little bit more, or a lot more, considering some of the plans that I have in store to make sure that I'm producing good content, valuable content, and content and more content, and that I may or may not be in uni by that point in time doing my master's or my second qualification. So that's where I see myself in 3 years. I'm just watching the Easter service.
When God spoke to Moses, they did what Moses said. If you read in Exodus chapter 12, verse 28, it says that the children of Israel went away and did as the Lord had commanded Moses.
Good morning! It's Sunday morning. I just finished church for Easter Sunday on live. That was a really amazing service. Great preaching from my fiance. Go boo! Go boo boo! Someone asked me if I was aware of the engagement, and the answer is, there's a long and short answer. The short answer is no. The long answer is a bit long, but I'll just tell you a little bit about it. The morning of my engagement, my stomach had butterflies. I was really nervous. I couldn't eat, and it's like my body knew something was happening, but it wasn't clicking in my brain that was what was happening. So big answer, no, I didn't know. It was all a surprise for me. A lot of people were like, oh, you didn't seem surprised in your video. I was. You just can't see in the video, but as soon as I walked through the door, I had tears pouring down. Farah's mum actually was like, you can stop crying now after, because that's how much I was crying. I'm not a big crier, so yeah, but it was a big surprise for me. Very, very big surprise. But my body knew that boy was lying to me. Something was up, man. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I know you're probably wondering, how did we jump from Sunday morning to Monday? I had a few things I needed to do that didn't involve a camera. Camera couldn't be there, you know. So yeah, and I left it in my car and I fell asleep while watching AD, the Jesus movie on Netflix with Farai. And then now it's the next day.
Do we have any issue?
So somebody asked me, how did Farai and I meet? I thought maybe he can answer it for himself.
So there I was, one sunny afternoon, just working as a lifeguard. And then I saw a shark was about to attack this innocent young girl. Then I swam out. Just kidding, guys. Our story is not that exciting, although it is still quite exciting. We met at church. I think it's still the best place to meet anyone to spend the rest of your life with.
Yeah. So we met at church. Nothing, crazy or anything like that. Lucky last question. Someone asked, or should I say many people, the bulk of the questions were, when are you getting married? Guys, I've been engaged for like 2 seconds. Am I moving too slow for you or what? So yeah, that's the end of the video. That is my quarantine Q&A for the weekend, what I sort of have been doing. As you guys know, we'll be posting twice a week now, so let me know in the comment section what type of videos you want. If there's a specific video you want me to make or specific content you want me to make, just let me know, and make sure to comment down below and like if you like the video, guys. I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.